Hello, Jack Middleton, the Empowered Vegan here, and in this video, we're making tofu scramble. So tofu scramble is probably my most eaten vegan dish. Since I went vegan, I have made this dish more than any other dish, and I decided I need to make a video about it because if there are people out there who are on a vegan diet who don't know about this or haven't been making it or don't have a good recipe for it, they need to know. So first thing you need to know when making a good tofu scramble is you need to get the right tofu. When choosing your tofu, you want to make sure that you're getting regular tofu and you want it to be either firm or extra firm. So first thing you're going to want to do is chop up your veggies. Once you've got your veggies chopped, put a pan on the stove, heat it up, put some oil in it, and then you can get your onions in there sweating down with a little bit of salt. Once those start to go translucent, you can add in your peppers, cook those until they start to soften, and then you can put in your garlic and your pepper. Now at this point, you're gonna wanna add in your tofu. What I like to do is I'll open the package of tofu, usually over the sink. I'll drain it off, I'll leave the package in the sink. I'll take the brick of tofu, I won't pat it dry, and I won't press it. I just take it straight out of there, I hold it over the pan, and then I crumble it right into the pan. That's the easiest way to do it. Once you've got your tofu in there, you kind of want to start acting fast. So put in your turmeric, put in your lemon juice, put in your tamari, and start mixing it around. The liquid in the scramble is going to help the turmeric spread all over the tofu scramble and cover the whole dish. At this point, if you're feeling a little bit rushed, just turn your heat down. Once you've got those seasonings in the dish, everything's nice and coated, the next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna add in either your kale or your spinach. If you decided to go with kale, like I did in this recipe, just note that I chopped it up a little bit because big pieces of hot kale are disgusting. So another trick when you have the greens wilting in the pan, pour in a bit of water. And if you do this, I recommend you have the pan on high so that when it hits the pan, it steams and continues to cook off. And that steam is gonna help wilt that kale or that spinach really quickly. Now that your tofu scramble is done, you can serve it up any which way. A couple of my favorite ways are just straight up on a piece of avocado toast with some hot sauce. Delicious. That's it, that's all folks. And if you like this video, give it a like. If you're new to this page, subscribe. I would subscribe if I were you. And hit that bell notification if you want to be notified every time I put up a new video. So please, enjoy this tofu scramble. Take it into the weekend with you. This is a perfect Saturday morning breakfast. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.